Let's do the unboxing. This small stash. Shout out Leg TV Pyro. Let's go. Wow. That's not right. Kaya pala yung nakarang order hindi na mag-wet na ihabol. Dahil yung packaging tight na tight. Out of this inside the plastic, the Bravo wrap. Wow. Bravo. Yan, naseryado to ah. Mother Chod. Yun no. Look. You know. Holes. Pancot. Ayos. I think ito yung sa frying cow. Oh, laki. Champion. Mother shot. Oh, laki ng uliser mo. Bomba na to ah. Mother shot. Ito. Yan o. Yun. Grabe. Dalawang pirasong crying cow, regular. Dalawang pirasong GWP, regular din crying. Dalawang phone. Good. Shoutout ulit. Leg TV Pyro. Solid to, first time buyer here. Sana solid to sa celebration. Sasabay ko to sa mga sawa ko dito. So yun. Thank you, solid.